In this video, I'm going to teach you how to game share on the Steam Deck. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Just like on consoles, Steam now offers family sharing. This allows you to share your games with your friends. So as long as all of you are part of a family together, you can share games between each other. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can set up a family and add each other so you can access different games. So to do this on the Steam Deck, access your profile, so choose your icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can either highlight it or tap on it and then go over to account details. So the last option on this banner here. Once you choose account details, one of the options at the left will be family management. This is how you can start a family and have your friends join. Now, it doesn't really matter who creates the family. As long as all of your friends are on board, all of you will be able to join. Steam families allow you to share your Steam games with up to 5 other household members, so you can have up to other 5 people. And you can manage parental controls, but of course in this case I don't believe it matters because the main focus is sharing the games. Family members can join a Steam family either as an adult or a child, again doesn't really matter. So all that you have to do here is create a family. Only one of you will have to create the family, everyone else joins. So once one of you chooses the option to create a family, you can enter a name below. This name is only visible to current and invited members and can be changed at any time. You will be able to invite household members to the family. So input a name, and immediately after this, you will see the option to invite your friends. So you can choose them from the friends list or send them a custom link. What your friend is going to do is go over to join a family. So once you invite them directly and they have this message here, either on the Steam Deck or on the Steam client itself, one pending invite, they just have to select it. Of course, if you are going to be the one joining the family and not creating, then just wait for your friend to invite you and then choose this option here, join a family. Now you will see the pending invite. So your friend will have invited you to join their family as either an adult or as a child. The basic difference is that adults will be able to manage other members and parental controls, so just invite everyone as an adult. And then you have to accept. By doing this, you can access their games on your library. To my knowledge, it is more limited than consoles, so you cannot play the same game simultaneously, but I haven't done full research on this. So if you know the answer, leave it in the comments below. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had on setting up a Steam family, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.